Hello students. Students, now we are going to solve question number 5th of exercise number 6.4. Clear? Students, in the previous class you have learned what is midpoint theorem. Yes, you all know what is midpoint theorem. Is it? So what this theorem says, if a line segment join the midpoints of two sides of a triangle, then this line segment will be parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. Is it? So we will use this theorem in this question. Okay? So first of all, let us write what is given. Given D, E and F are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and CA respectively. Now second line is to find. What we have to find? Ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. So area of DEF upon area of ABC is equal to question mark. Now solution. We will apply midpoint theorem because of D, E and F are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and CA. Clear? So we will write solution from here. Applying midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem. What we get? DF is parallel to BC, or we can say this implies DF parallel to BE and DF is equal to half of BC. Clear? First thing. Or DE parallel to AC. This implies DE parallel to CF and DE is equal to half of AC. Clear? Or this EF is parallel to AB. This implies EF parallel to BD and EF is equal to half of BD. It is our equation number 1. Clear? See, DF is parallel to BE, EF parallel to BD. Okay, that means here this DE parallel to AF and EF parallel to AD. This implies, therefore, from above we conclude that ADEF is a ADEF, DBEF and DECF are the parallelograms. And we know the diagonal of a parallelogram divide it in two congruent areas, in two areas or in two equal areas. Okay. Therefore, or this implies area of ADF is equal to area of DEF. Equation number 2. You can write area of this ADF equal to area of DEF. Clear? Now, since DF parallel to BC, this implies, see here, this DF parallel to BC, this implies this angle and this angle will be equal. These are the corresponding angles, yes, and these two angles also equal, because these two are also are corresponding angles. We can write here angle ADF is equal to angle ABC and angle AFD is equal to angle ACB. Clear? Corresponding angles. Clear? Therefore, by AA similarity, see this triangle, in triangle ADF and triangle ABC, this angle and this angle equal, these two angles are also equal. That means we can say by AA similarity, area of triangle ADF and triangle ABC are similar. Clear? Triangle ADF similar to triangle ABC. Equation number 3. These two triangles are similar. That means we can write area of triangle ADF upon area of triangle ABC is equal to DF square upon BC square. Clear? Equation number 4. From 2 and 4, in place of area of ADF, we can write area of DEF. From 2 and 4, what we write? Area of DEF upon area of ABC is equal to DF upon BC whole square. See, DF is equal to half of BC, is it? So it is equation number 5th. Now from 1 and 5th, area of DEF upon area of ABC is equal to half of BC upon BC whole square. Clear? Then BC cancel, equal to 1 upon 2 whole square, that is equal to 1 upon 4. So area of DEF ratio area of ABC is equal to 1:4. So students, pause the video to be noted down.